Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hello everyone, checking in on gold, still holding the middle Bollinger Band support of 1328.66, and you can see the range of the daily tighter and tighter and tighter each day. We're going to see a break either after hours or pre-market tomorrow before the open in gold. I'll show you on the hourly time frame what we're watching. It's a lot more clear on the shorter term time frames, and it's going to give us a very clear indication of whether we should be playing bullish or bearish the gold miners. So gold on the weekly time frame, if we break 1320, it will be a very clear confirmation of the bearish reversal candlestick from last week. So need to be factoring that in and aware that we could be looking for a pullback to 1300 and key moving average support, the 200-week moving average. Checking in on some miners. Well, let's look at gold first, then we'll look at the miners. So gold on the hourly did get a bullish break of my pattern, but that didn't break the lower high pattern. So it was a little bit of an early indication, perhaps, that we're going to get a bullish break. That may be the case, but we can see the lower highs very much so intact. If we turn 1336 into support, we will break the previous two lower highs. That will be a convincing bullish break. If we lose this uptrend support line and lose 1326 support, that will be a clear bearish break. 1324 also has a lot of support there, and then down to 1320. So what we're looking at for the miners, dust did turn that 10-day moving average into support today. Even though it did, it's still not a clear break. We can see the same tightening range pattern that gold is seeing. Volume is decreasing, and we're going to see a spike in volume and a spike in volatility in these names. If not tomorrow, I would be very surprised if it didn't occur tomorrow, but if not tomorrow, it will be on Thursday. So tomorrow is the day to watch this gold hourly pattern, and dust or NUGT and JNUG as well are going to see a clear bullish break as they get tighter and tighter, and it's going to be a fairly high volume and easy trade. We are on the verge of a bearish MACD cross on NUGT as well, so there's all kind of signals and indication, but what it boils down to for me is what is gold going to do on the hourly chart. So that's essentially what we're looking at tomorrow. We are well aware there's going to be a lot of opportunity, and we'll be all over it live pre-market, setting up for the coverage and knowing which direction to be playing in. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow to follow up on this tight pattern. Have a wonderful night.